Hello, my name is Madhya Khan, and today I'm going to be describing a research study I've designed about make-guarding behaviors in the monopoly money experiment. So make-guarding is an evolutionary concept and a behavioral strategy humans use to retain their romantic partners and ward off rivals. The pioneer of the study of evolution is known to be Charles Darwin, and his theory of natural selection has three main parts: variation, selection, and retention, which is the focus of this research study. Mate-guarding is all about retention, the tactics we use once we actually have a mate. At the core of mate-guarding tactics is the feeling of sexual jealousy. This is an emotional state that is triggered by a perceived threat to a mating relationship, motivating us to counter this threat. While both males and females experience sexual jealousy, evolutionary mechanisms of mate guarding suggest that the reasons are different for both males and females. For males, sexual jealousy centers on ensuring paternity, because historically a man's biggest reproductive cost was unknowingly investing resources in a child that was not genetically his. This is a phenomenon known as cuckoldry. The mate guarding tactics to prevent this involve vigilance, restricting their partner's behavior, or directly driving off rivals, sometimes even physically. Women's sexual jealousy is more focused on preventing the loss of the male partner's monetary resources and security. Their ancestral risk was losing valuable resources like money, status, and protection to a rival female. Mate guarding is a crucial behavior to study because of the constant threat of mate poaching. This is when a rival tries to usurp a mate's position who is in a long-term sexual relationship. Buss's study in 2002 found that 60% of women admitted to attempting to lure someone else's partner into a committed relationship with them, and roughly a third of people report their partner was successfully poached. So, how do modern resource dynamics influence these evolved tactics? We've created a study called the Monopoly Money Experiment, and we hypothesized that both men and women will protect their partners from poachers' advances, but men might exhibit more intense mate guarding tactics than women. To demonstrate this, 100 heterosexuals will sign up to be a part of our study. We will also utilize 4 confederates. Each participant will be given 1,000 Monopoly money, and they will be sitting together in a room with their money in front of their individual person when a confederate approaches the couple. There are 4 main scenarios that this can take. A male confederate will target 50 random female partners. They will flirt with the female participants and give them a large amount of Monopoly money. This will be an allocation condition. Another male confederate will target the other 50 random female partners. They will insult these female partners and take their existing Monopoly money from them. This is a deprivation condition. Next, one female confederate will target 50 random male participants. They will flirt with those participants, show off their attractiveness, and give them a large amount of Monopoly money. This is another allocation condition. Lastly, the 4th condition is another female confederate will target 50 random male participant partners using a sexually suggestive gesture like winking and asking the male participants to borrow their Monopoly money. This is a form of deprivation of resources, but with a strong sexual tone. Data collection will be done via hidden microphones on the confederates to record verbal mate guarding dialogues that participants and the confederates have. But then confederates will also tell principal researchers the mate guarding physical behaviors that they have noticed between the male and female participants and the respective confederates that they came in contact with. And these are my references for the presentation. Thank you.